Let me take you through some of the procedures and guidelines you are supposed to follow when making a mosaic composition. More so in this area of grade 9 project, NEC project, because remember they are supposed to come up with or create a mosaic pictorial composition inspired by an athletic event. So which are some of the procedures or process or guidelines the learner is supposed to follow when creating their mosaic work? So we'll start by defining what mosaic is, because remember this is some area that can come in theory paper, that is in paper 1. So mosaic is a picture making technique that involves pasting small cut pieces of one type of material onto a surface to create an image. So remember, here we are stressing on one type. So here we are using one type of material and not two. So check on that one when you are collecting your materials. It should be one material. Now, when pasting the pieces, spaces are left between them. The spaces are left between them. So the small cut pieces are called tesserae. Those small cut pieces that you will be pasting, we call them tesserae, while the spaces left between them are called interstices. Those small pieces, or the small spaces left in between the tesserae, we call them interstices. So we find that interstices creates an effect that looks cracked. So that effect that looks cracked is known as crackled effect. It is known as crackled effect. Now we have this term juxtaposition or juxtaposition. So this process, it's when pieces of material used to create a mosaic are placed side by side. When you place the materials, those tesserae side by side, so those pieces or the material, we call them juxtaposition. Then now let's go to creating a mosaic pictorial composition inspired by an athletic event. So these are now the guidelines or the process we are going to follow when coming up or creating our own composition of an athletic event. First, collect the materials and tools you need. These materials or tools can be waste papers from old magazines. It can be banana fiber, that's banana fiber. You can use used cardboards, cutters and adhesives, or also you can use eggshell. Eggshell is a very good material that when you use it, you will come up with a very good artwork. Point number 2, after coming up with the material, brainstorm idea for athletic event to inspire the mosaic composition. So you brainstorm an idea for athletic event to inspire the mosaic composition. And remember, in this NEC project, we have already been given an idea, so that the athletic can be jumping, can be in motion. So that's an idea that we have already been given. So there is no need of us again brainstorming, because we have already been brainstormed by the NEC examiners by giving us the idea that we are going to use when creating the mosaic composition. Then we are supposed to transfer your sketch onto a suitable surface selected. So after coming up with the idea, you have to sketch it. So you sketch it. After sketching it, you transfer your sketch onto a suitable surface selected, the one that will have been selected. Then point number 4, come up with a color scheme for the composition and label it. So on the sketch that you have created, you are going to come up with the color scheme in the areas that you need some colors to appear. So you write there the name of the colors that you'll be using to color those areas. Then point number 5, cut the papers into small pieces of different shapes. So you cut the tesserae, that is tesserae, the papers into small pieces of different shapes. Then sort the pieces of paper according to color. Sort the pieces of paper according to color. Then you paste the pieces of paper onto the surface side by side, leaving spaces between them according to the plan or color scheme you have selected. And we have also leave the mosaic to dry. You leave the mosaic to dry, then finish by varnishing and mounting your picture. Then after doing all that, you will have already come up with your mosaic composition of an athlete or inspired by an athletic event.